Welcome back, folks. Welcome back to the Booze by Rob production facility and located in, you know it, historic Nashville, Tennessee. We're glad you're back. Sorry we've been away for a while. Did some traveling on business, and golly, life's been just busy. You know, we're getting to the end of the summer and just a lot of things that just happening. So we, about a week or so ago, we had some great friends over, Paul and Amanda. Had them over for dinner and some cocktails and just show them out and show them the new facility here, and had a great time. And during the evening, we were kind of looking at some of the weird stuff that we've got on the back of the bar. And some of it's good, some of it's, you know, oh well, it's the way it goes. But we brought out this. This is Monin Violet syrup. And Amanda smelled it and she said, "Can you make me a cocktail with that?" And I was like, "Well, yeah, but I don't know what I was going to do." So kind of on the fly, we made this cocktail that then got named the Purple Panda after Amanda. So let's go ahead and start building this cocktail up. We've got the Monin Violet. We've got Empress Gin, which is a Canadian gin that is colored with butterfly pea flowers. In the spring, whatever. Simple syrup. Simple syrup is 1:1, 1 part sugar, 1 part water. And then this is lavender bitters from a brand called Scrappy's. Bought it on Amazon. I'll put a link below it. I just put it in this this bottle, just easier to control. So we'll start with the bitters. 2 dashes. 1, 2. Also, this is a cold. Just pulled it out of the freezer. You can see it's still got some condensation on it. This is a barfly mixing glass. So it's making the cocktail cold, but it's not diluting it yet. That's kind of important. Simple syrup is 1/2 ounce. And this jigger that I'm using is also from Barfly. They make really good bar equipment things, moderately priced, and pretty cool too. 1 ounce of the Monin Violet. That sounds kind of funny. It's Monin Violet. Okay, sorry. Yeah, we did go there. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of the Empress Gin. Yeah, it's going to be a purple drink. All right, so no ice is in there yet. So now that everything is kind of getting cold, we're going to add the ice so we can control the dilution. Because this is something you don't want to have just be watered down, because the ice has been in there, this has been warm, and you're just losing too much of the ice to water. Now, when we first served this, we were using some martini glasses. And you know me, they're from Whiskey. You should know that already. But without just going to, it was a little too little cocktail in a large glass, so we're going to use a coupe from Whiskey, because I like Whiskey. It's my bar, and I get to use what I like. Also, we got a fridge. How about that? Marvelous. So, all right, that should be good enough. Using our, you know what, a Hawthorne strainer. And yes, they were making fun of me for knowing what a Hawthorne strainer was. And into our coupe glass we go. It's a pretty cocktail. Look how nice that looks. Very purple. Funny thing is, so we made one, tried it around, liked it, and the production staff, they said, "You make me one of those?" And they did it with a look on their face like the NO was not really an answer. So here we go to the Purple Panda. Very purple. It's purple. It's sweet. Sweet from the syrup. I don't taste a lick of alcohol in there at all. So once again, we'll give you the official Booze by Rob warning of be careful. These are addictive. Don't have too many. Cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy.